Hey everyone, PagePilot has become the go-to AI tool for dropshippers and Shopify beginners who want to launch high-converting product pages in minutes rather than hours. It bypasses the manual struggle of copywriting and layout design by using AI to scout successful products and build the page for you. Step 1. The app ecosystem. Install. We start in the Shopify App Store because this creates a secure handshake between your store's database and PagePilot's AI servers. Inside your Shopify admin, click the Apps tab on the left, search for PagePilot, and hit Install. This connection allows PagePilot to see your theme files. Instead of you manually copying text and uploading images, the AI can inject the finished page directly into your store layout. Step 2. Template selection. Before the AI starts writing, it needs to know the vibe of your store. We do this because a high-ticket electronics store needs a different layout than a low-cost beauty brand. You will be prompted to pick a page template. Choose a template that matches your goal. In 2026, the direct response template is the most popular for dropshippers because it puts the Add to Cart button and social proof, reviews, at the very top. Selecting a theme template means the AI will also configure your headers, footers, and Buy Now buttons so they look perfectly integrated. Step 3. URL import. This is where the AI magic happens. We do this to save hours of manual data entry and creative writing. Find a product you want to sell on AliExpress or Amazon, copy that URL, and paste it into the PagePilot box. It doesn't just copy the link, it scans the product's features, looks for pain points in the reviews, and then rewrites the entire description to be persuasive and salesy rather than just a list of technical specs. Step 4. The final polish. Configuration. Before pushing the Live button, you have to play the role of the editor. We do this to ensure your pricing strategy and branding are exactly where they need to be. Check the price and compare at price. PagePilot will suggest a price based on 2026 market trends, but you should adjust it to hit your specific profit margins. Supplier links often have messy variant names. Use this step to rename them to something clean. And once you create product page, PagePilot creates a new product entry in your Shopify products list and automatically assigns it to the beautiful AI template you chose in step 2. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.